All right, one thing that crops up from time to time in working with GIS or doing any kind of cartographic design, map making project is you may have a situation where you have some area, in this case I have the boundary of the state of Indiana, but I have within it county boundaries, and what I would like to acquire is some exact match for this, but showing only the state boundary. So in previous videos I have shown how you can use the attribute table to create a new attribute field or a new field or column in the attribute table. In this case I called it dissolve, and then how you can use the field calculator tools that you can access here in order to calculate a value for that new empty attribute. And now what I want to do is dissolve my internal features based on that attribute. So in this case I'm going to head to the analysis tab, and underneath the tool drop down we have a variety of items here. And so we can choose some of these overlay, analyze, and manage data features within here. And it used to be that some of these, like append and merge, intersect, clip, union, were actually part of, or were part of the same menu in ArcMap. But now the dissolve feature has been moved solely to this geoprocessing menu. So you can get to this if you don't have it by going to the analysis ribbon or analysis tab on the ribbon and clicking the tools button. There are sometimes ready to use tools that will be a button that you can press, but actually in this situation all of the tools that are available here for the most part are also available by searching in the geoprocessing menu. In this case I want, or pane rather I guess, in this case I want to use the dissolve function, and so I'm going to dissolve features based on specified attributes. In this case I'm going to put my opioid data from the department or the Drug Enforcement Agency here, and I'm going to pick that field that I added in those previous videos, the dissolve field, and I'm going to make sure that I'm not creating multi-part features. Multi-part features will have possibly overlaying features, etc. I don't want that. I want a single boundary for the entire state. And my user interface for this software I'm using covers up the button for run. But I think, let's see, can I tab my way to it? This is frustrating. Enter. There we go. And it's running. We can view the details and show what happened and expand the messages and see how long it took. For example, in this case, I have my Indiana boundary, which will allow me in in kind of a cartographic design fashion to now have a boundary that's perfectly coincident with my more detailed Indiana County boundaries. That's how you dissolve a feature in order to kind of make another geometry for your projects. Hopefully that's helpful.